Alright, today I'm going to work on the bedroom next to the bathroom. Okay, this thing has got some really old carpet, probably looks like at least 20 years old. Really good hardwood underneath it, I believe. So I'm going to go and start trashing this carpet. You can see all the wrinkles in it right here. I stained it up because I was cutting my tile here because I knew I was going to rip it out. The walls are pretty decent other than the fact that there's a million nails in it. Well, not a million, but a few dozen. And the ceiling is okay. It's got one little hairline crack that you can barely see there, but if you painted over that, it'd probably fill right in. But other than that, it's a lowered ceiling, so I mean, it's in good condition. The windows need to be reglazed, but I could do that later. But for now, I'm trying to get all these tools out of this room to the next and rip this carpet. All right, I found the date of the carpet. It says November 1st, 2007. So this is actually only about 14 years old, but the life expectancy of a carpet's only about, I think, 7 years, 7 to 10. All right, there's the carpet out. The flooring is not too bad. Not too bad at all. Closet doesn't have hardwood, and this room over here, it's got some funky stuff going on. I don't know what that is in here. It's like some kind of weird vinyl or something. I don't know. Definitely doesn't have hardwood in that room. All right, so we got the carpet out of this next room, and it has some funky flooring down under it. I'm gonna leave that there and just cover it, underline it, and put some laminate flooring that I had bought in here. Should look a lot better than that. Alright, got most of the floor in and got up to here where I gotta strip some down. It's only got like that much space. And then I had to go to the store and buy a stair nose piece to go over here on this edge. And then I had to buy a transition for here. Probably use this one to go right there, and then I'll be good. So I got to cut under these moldings here, this one, that one, and behind here. Alright, just finished up. Got my transition in place here. Got oak floor on this side, hardwood, and then laminate with the transition. Over here I got the stair nose transition over there. And here's the closet. So I'm going to run quarter round pretty much around all of the gapping, because you need expansion and contraction with the different hot and cold. So I got this wood quarter round. It's already stained in place just like that. And I covered up all the gaps. I just got to trim off the extra underlayment that I lapped up the wall a little bit. Get these cut tomorrow and installed. And we'll be good. This room will be ready for painting. And the windows need work too. Alright, that's the floor finished with the quarter round installed in the closet here. I haven't really installed it everywhere else. I got it cut and ready to be installed, but I'm not going to actually nail it down until I paint the baseboard. It's easier to paint it without that there. And then I'll nail it down after this is painted. But yeah, it's all cut out, ready to install. And again, this room is just like that room. It needs all the holes filled on all the nails in the wall. And yeah, a lot of it needs to be sanded. This wall here particularly needs the wallpaper removed because you can see it's cracking up there. And then I got to fix those little cracks. And same with this wall here. But I think the rest has been sheetrocked on that side. But I got like little imperfections. There was a wallpaper here, and when you take it off, it rips the sheetrock paper off. So what you got to do is hit that with some Keels in the spray can, and then you can spackle over that, or use some drywall mud to fix that up. Because if you paint over that, it's gonna it's gonna look terrible. Yeah, that's where the floor is at. Got the bed already. I gotta order some new mattresses, but yeah, that's the bed we'll have in here. And this later on, I might bring my room upstairs in the winter. I might stay up here in the winter and then use this, take the bed out, and I might have like a couch in here, like a little lounge off of my room. That's what I'm thinking. But that's it for this video. That's me ripping out my carpets, 14-year-old carpet out of these 2 bedrooms, and installing laminate on this side. That's original hardwood. I don't know why in the world they didn't ever put hardwood in this back room. Doesn't make sense to me. But whatever. That's it for this